Hey, my name is Bryce Tubbs, and today we're just gonna be talking about, what to watch out for when you're starting your own accounting firm. And if I had known this, probably when I got started about 7 years ago, it would have saved me a tremendous amount of time, frustration, and energy. Now, the reason why is because like when you first get started in your business, oftentimes you're like, super excited and you've maybe been thinking for a number of months, maybe even years in some cases, that you're gonna have your launch. It's gonna be just like perfect, and you're gonna grow really quickly. But in a lot of cases, it doesn't really happen like that. And I'm just kind of smiling because thinking back, I remember I was so arrogant when I first got started. I was like, I'm gonna make $1 billion overnight. Making money is easy, and it was just, I was so arrogant about it. I was just, everybody told me, hey, it's not that easy to go make money, and I was like, you just don't know what you're talking about. I can do this. I'm better than everybody else, and we'll talk when I'm a millionaire. And just kind of looking back, and nowadays when I know what, both for my accounting firm, how it's at the six-figure level, then my mentorship program, that's at a really great level as well. And I see that, yes, it is easier to go and make money than what I ever expected, but that's after I put in a lot of work and I knew exactly like what to do versus what not to do. And before we go any further, if you want some help growing your business, maybe you don't feel like you're totally in control of the growth of your life, and therefore when you try and do your business, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you might get like one or two clients, but it doesn't really feel like you're at the level to which you can kind of have this business support your life and support your family for the next 5, 10, 15 years. And if that's something you want to be able to be in full control of your life. You want to have peace. You want to be able to move, and you want to know that if you do XYZ activity, it's going to give you ABC result. If that's what you're looking for, I recommend you go ahead and click on the link inside the description below to book a call with me. And on that call, we're just going to take a look at like, where are you right now? Where do you want to go? And if I think I can help you out, I'm just going to outline what the program looks like, what the deliverables are, and how we're actually going to go and accomplish the goal together. So if that's what you want, I'd love to see you on the call. If you're not quite ready, that's okay too. Let's continue with this video. So number one thing that you have to be looking to avoid is branding activities that waste a lot of time. So if I could kind of go back in time and to just kind of take myself by the collar and just shake myself, I'd be like, hey, don't do this. It'll be taking 3 months to go and make my own website. Cause I was like, I want to do everything myself. I want to save money, and I want to be able to, just feel like I'm doing everything myself. And that was a mistake. Now, the other extreme is some people don't do anything with their own website. They go and pay like $5,000, $10,000 for a website, but it just, the money's kind of wasted. So you need to have that happy balance, right? Where it's not that you're doing everything yourself, especially like a branding website that doesn't give you any clients, but you're not paying 20, 30, X amount of thousands of dollars for a website. You need to be focused on activities that you can do that actively go and get you clients. For example, going on LinkedIn and building your network. Another example is being inside of Facebook groups and actually interacting with the end target user who's going to be, utilizing your service. Another one is actually going and just really networking. And I'm not saying going to networking events, but I do mean actually going and talking to other business owners, seeing if people can give you referrals, seeing if the person you're speaking to wants to actually utilize your service. But it's going to be about talking to as many people as possible about your business and about this endeavor that you are taking part of. Okay, if you just skip the website, you skip the branding, you skip making your brochures, you skip all that stuff in the beginning, and you go in straight, just go directly to get clients, it's going to save you so much time. It's going to be a lot easier for you to go and get to, the six-figure level. Now, if you want some help going and growing your business, you want to go and avoid a lot of the mistakes I made, you want to go tap into, the amount of money I've spent trying to acquire these skills. Like, one thing most people don't know is I spend about $35,000 to $40,000 every single year on courses, seminars, trainings, masterminds, just so I can keep scaling up my knowledge and keep increasing, right? Because I never want the information I have in my head to go stale. So I'm spending probably 30x what most people are spending. So if you go and align yourself with my program, I'm giving you the insider information that I'm getting from $1 million businesses that are coaching me on how to grow my business even further. So if that's something that you value, right? You want to save time in order to go and make more money in the future. You want to be able to support your family and finally feel like you're in that control and that you know exactly what you need to do to grow the business and actually go and reach the goal. I recommend that you go ahead and click on the link inside the description below to book a call with me. And on that call, we're just going to take a look at where are you right now, where do you want to go. If I think it can help you, I'm just going to extend an offer into the program, tell you exactly what that entails. We can get you onboarded if you feel like it, and then we can kind of move forward from there. So if that's you, I'd love to see you on the call. If you're not quite ready yet, no harm, no foul. We have a lot of content on this channel that's there for free to make sure you can go grow your business. And then, when the time is right for you and when you've, had enough and seen exactly what you need in order to trust us to move forward, I'd love to see you on the call. Until then, hopefully have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your evening. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. This has been Bryce Tubbs, and I am out.